Learning COBOL just by watching videos. That won't work. Join Pacta Cobol courses to actually practice.
COBOL, a language missing from schools and universities. Today, in most academic programs, COBOL has disappeared from the curriculum. Yet this language still powers banking systems, insurance companies, and many large institutions. The result? Companies lack COBOL developers, even though demand remains high. That's where Pacta Cobol training comes in. Designed for beginners, it provides a concrete and accessible alternative to traditional education. You don't need a computer science degree. Our courses guide you step by step, with simple explanations and practical exercises. The goal is not theory for theory's sake, but to give you the ability to actually code in COBOL and meet a real demand in today's job market. Discover Pacta Cobol training, a modern way to learn an old, yet still essential language. Visit cobol.pacta.com website.